Hi there, I'm Thomas, and in this video here, I'm going to show you how to use the custom fields in task within CxPlanner. So to get started, dive into the project settings, bottom over here, and then go for the task options. You got to be an admin to make these changes, however. Scroll all the way down, and down here you're finding the custom fields. So you see we've got 4 different kinds. We've got a normal input field, just to type in text. Then we've got a number, we've got a tick box or a yes, no, and then we've got a drop down. I'm going to show those different options here. First, hit the input box. That creates a new field. We're going to call that input A. So that's it. Now we actually have a new field where users can input data when they create new tasks. That could be like an internal reference, that could be a reference to a PNID or whatever else that you have. But we also have the advanced settings here. Click on that one, reveals a couple of extra options. You can require this field. So by doing that, that means when users add task, they must also provide this value. Then you can provide a default value, and then you can make some bindings. I'm going to show you the bindings in a second here. But now let's add a drop-down. I'm going to call that drop-down B. And we're going to add some options. So this option here is going to be option A and option B. Then within the advanced settings here, we have the same options that we can require this as a value. We can set default values, and we can also use the show only when. For the default values, we're going to select option A. So that would be the default value when in this drop down. So for the last one, we're going to add another input box. It's going to be input B. And for the advanced settings here, we're going to say show only when. And we're going to depend that on the dropdown. And the dropdown must be option B. So that's how we can bind these two fields together. That can be useful if you have like different task types. That could be you have like an RFI, an issue, internal ticket, a node, and so on. Then when selecting each one of those options, it will automatically populate the fields that the user also has to fill out. Now we have 3 different custom fields. Let me show you how those work. So going to the punctuation tasks, this area here, then we're clicking new item. Then the first one is going to be AA. And let's go down here. You see input A and has little asterisks. That means it's required. And then we also have like the drop down, which is like defaulted to option A. Trying to save here gives us a red marker because this one here must be inputted with data. You see AA and also the option A. Take the next one. That's going to be BB, BB. And you can see we can also we can empty this field if we need to. But let's go for option B. Then it automatically shows the input B. And we can add that. And you see we get all the values up here. So that's like the way how we can bind fields together and make some more advanced options for the custom fields.